Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can create yourself a Temu account. It's pretty simple. After you open the Temu app, you want to click on You at the bottom of your screen in the middle. From over here at the top, you can see the option called sign in/register. Click on it. From over here, what you want to do is click on over here where it says register, sign in with another account at the bottom. And then it's going to take you to this page. But for some people, it directly takes them to this page. Once you're in this page, at the bottom, you can see Google, Facebook, Apple. You can create yourself an account using these. So if you already have a Google, you can link your Google account with Temu and your account will be created. But if you don't want to do that, at the top, you can enter your email or your mobile number. So I'm going to create my account using Google, so I will just click on Google. Once you click on Google, click on continue. Once you click on continue, it's going to ask you to log in into your Google account. Log in into your Google account. Once you log in into your Google account, basically your account will be created automatically. So whatever name I had on my Google account is being displayed at the top, as you guys can see. So all the information I have on my Google, my account will be created using those information. Don't worry, it's not going to use your private information, only the public informations are going to be used. But that is how we guys can create a Temu account. Hit the subscribe to our channel one to step. I'll see you guys next time.